Do you think that we could be together? 'Cause I see you and me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai sahabat Aisyah. Kali ini, tim PKRS dan tim TB Dots Rumah Sakit Islam Aisyah melakukan edukasi kesehatan tentang etika batuk dan kebersihan tangan kepada pasien rawat jalan, pasien rawat inap, dan keluarga. Ikuti terus kegiatannya ya.
What am I waiting for? You're my tall glass on a summer's day.
Wah, ada kuis dan hadiahnya juga loh.
Do you think that we could be together? 'Cause I see you and
Kegiatannya seru banget. Semua antusias dari pemberi materi, pasien, hingga keluarga.
I can't do no wrong when you're so right. As long as we're together. As long as we're together.
Terima kasih sudah mengikuti kegiatan kami. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Your hand in mine.